star headliner kit that I just put into the car today. So this is actually a 300-piece kit I got from Amazon, and I ended up keeping the factory color of the headliner and all the pillars. I just didn't want to deal with painting those right now. The kit that I got came with an app, and then it also came with this little cheap remote where you can cycle through the colors. It has a music mode, the jump mode, fade mode, all that stuff. I actually have it wired, where the wires ran through under this, the box is under there, and then I took the wiring harness that they gave me, and then I soldered some wire running from under here up into that fuse box right there. I did an add a fuse. I think it's a 20 amp fuse as well with the cigarette lighter. So I'll keep the lights on and let you guys see it. I have everything back together other than the handles right there. Turn the lights back out. But all in all, this was not hard to do, just very time consuming. Like I said, it took me 2 days to get all this stuff back together. You literally have to pull everything out of the car. And of course I can turn them off if I want to. Turn it back on. I'm not sure if you can see it from the back of the car. The tint's so dark. Oh, you can see it a little bit. But I'll throw the link to the kit in the description. Oh wow, that sounds good. Don't know what kind of car that is, but so the reason I did it behind the sunroof rather than up front is right here there's plastics and stuff that are glued in, so I didn't want to bother those. But the sunroof is still fully functional. The visor goes all the way back. And I would say the only thing I dislike, which this is on me, is if these lights are off, you can see the little holes very faintly, but they're there. But with the way that I have them wired up, anytime the car is on, the lights are on. So it shouldn't be a big deal. You should never see the holes because the lights will always be on. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. And like I said, I'll throw the link to the kit in the description.